In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are going to talk today about three things which can ensure our success, which can ensure our success and our happiness at the same time. Whatever good we want to do, whatever important we want to do, whatever good, whatever great we want to do, we must have three things. All three things are essential and compulsory. None is unimportant and none is lesser important. That is why all the three are a must. So we can safely call them three musts of the success, three compulsory conditions of the success. First of all, we need to have we need to have informations. What we need to have information, knowledge. We need to gain the information and the knowledge. The knowledge about what? The information about what? The knowledge and information about what I want to achieve, what I should achieve, what is important for me to achieve, what should be my priorities in life, what should be my priorities in life. Main health is a priority, one of the top priorities, and practicing the ethics, the deen or the religion for we the Muslims, for everyone else, because all of us are mortal human beings. All of us have to leave this world pretty soon. All of us have to appear in the court of God Almighty on the day of judgment. This is something which is a must for each one of us. For each one of us. So, financial wealth is financially we need to be independent. So, all of these things are compulsory. Family is something very necessary. So, this is what we need to do. These are in having the information, the necessary information, the needed information, the useful information. We don't need to, everyone else don't need to be a journalist. Everyone else don't need to be an encyclopedia. We don't need to be an encyclopedia. The needed knowledge, the needed information. What I need to achieve and how can I achieve that? The knowledge and the information about what I need to achieve and how to achieve that. These are the needed, the necessary, the compulsory knowledge and informations. And then obviously there are certain do's and don'ts. There are certain do's and don'ts we do have to observe. We do have to comply. We do have to practice the do's and the don'ts. The do's and the don'ts. To be able to avoid the don'ts, abandoning the harmful things, and practicing the necessary things, fulfilling the do's and the don'ts, we do need the self discipline, we do need the self control, we need to manage ourselves. that is compulsory. The second must of a successful life. We are talking about the three musts of a successful life: having necessary knowledge and necessary information, what I want to achieve, what I need to achieve, and how to achieve that. The knowledge and the information about it. We don't need to be an encyclopedia, we don't need to have the information and the knowledge about everything else. We need the knowledge and the information about very, very few things of the life: health, financial health, psychological health, family, etc. These we do need to make these things as a priority, as the top priorities. Then, knowing the do's and the don'ts, part of the information and part of the knowledge we do need to achieve, and then fulfilling, practicing, acting upon these do's and don'ts, practicing upon these do's and don'ts, and to be able to practice, we do need the self control, we do need the self discipline. Without a self discipline, without a knowledge, without a self discipline, without a self control, we will not be able to fulfill, we will not be able to fulfill, we will not be able to achieve, we will not be able to fulfill, we will not be able to achieve this target of do's and don'ts unless and until we do have the self control, we do have the self discipline. Rather, we will not be able to even get sufficient information and sufficient knowledge, the needed knowledge and the needed information. Primary information and primary knowledge is there, but we might be in need of further knowledge and further information. Our self discipline and self control will propel us toward that, propelling toward further needed knowledge and information, propelling us to further do's and don'ts. The do's and the don'ts. The do's and the don'ts actually are the deciding factors. The do's and the don'ts are the deciding factors. And then comes the power of faith, belief. If we don't believe, if we don't believe that I can, that my, that I shall be able to get reward against my do's and don'ts, then we will not be doing that actually. Having a belief is important. It is very important actually, and it propels us actually. It motivates us, it inspires us, it compels us, it bounds us, it makes everything else possible. So, this is the third must. Thank you very much.